Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is excellent position with Adobe India and off-campus hiring where it can offer up to 50 lakhs salary. So this is the main company Adobe, which is American multinational computer software and company which is in two different solution areas. So this is their headquarter, which is based out of Adobe San Jose, California, and the trade name is Adobe Systems, which you could do. So it was started in 1982. So it's almost like a 40 plus year old company, public listed on NASDAQ, National Stock Exchange of US, and Standard and Poor Index, right? And industry software, 1982, 42-year-old company, California, which is their headquarter, which I already mentioned, part of the San Jose, right? So California, San Jose. So good news is that Shantanu Narayan, which is chairman and CEO, which is also an Indian, which is holding that, and they have very popular products like Photoshop, Acrobat, PDF Reader, Lightroom, Cold Fusion, Dreamweaver, and so on. And it's a software as a service company with very good amount of revenues. You can see $21.5 billion revenue, and profit is as good as $6.7 billion. Number of employees of as of 2024 were 30,709. So it's a quite big company, and this is quite good opportunity. The site is called adobe.com, which is their main portal. And I'm going to talk about the open position for software development engineer, SDE, and it's taken from their main website, careers.adobe.com. So let's first understand the locations. The job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Job code is R161978, and it was posted on 30th of October. So that is only 2 days back. It was posted 30th of October. It's a new position which is now open. So you can apply for this position. Opportunity, this is for Adobe Experience Cloud team, which is building a next generation marketing and advertising products used by different companies, and they are having team of global engineers using cutting edge technologies and best practices in web development. So what you will do, so you will basically build and enrich user friendly web applications using technologies like JavaScript, TypeScript, React, HTML, and CSS, right? Any of those, and collaborate with senior developers, designers, and product managers to deliver clean, maintainable, and scalable UI components. Right? So user interface, you will also write high quality testable code and participate in code reviews to learn and improve continuously. Next, you will also contribute to shared user interface libraries and frameworks to ensure consistency across products, debug and optimize codes for performance, accessibility, and responsiveness. You will be part of the agile team that values learning, collaboration, and innovation. So what is the qualification, what is required, which is you need to succeed basically? So they are looking for bachelor's degree in computer science or any related field and 1+ years of experience. So that this experience can be for internship experience also, or full time. So anybody who has done internship of 6 months plus 6 months experience, total 1 year. So even 2025 batch students can also apply. So both internship or full time, solid understanding of JavaScript, fundamental web concepts, front end, as I said, familiarity with the TypeScript, HTML5, CSS3, and responsive design technologies, basic knowledge of GitHub, REST APIs, and build tools like Webpack, VT, or similar, and strong problem solving and debugging skills with attention to details. And Adobe is proud to be equal employment opportunity employer, so they don't discriminate based on gender, race, color, ethnicity, and you get a very good culture here. So I will give you the link at the end of this video where you have to apply that software development engineer position R161978. There's a workflow, so you click on that. You will be first asked to provide information about yourself, which is my information, and then you are also expected to provide my experience details by clicking next. So first step is basically upload your resume and to complete the application as much as possible. So you can upload either in docx, HTML, PDF, text file also, but the size limit is 3 MB. And they are also allowing you to apply with the LinkedIn button. So that is also possible, and those are the different options where you can upload your CV through different other profiles, right? So Once you upload your resume, most of the details will get captured in the my information place, like your country that you have to select. For example, you can select India. Given name may also populate, but if it's not, then you can add your given name, family name. Those are the mandatory columns because it says star. And then local given name, if any exists, you can add that. Next, you also have to add your address line, your city, your postal code. All those details are not mandatory, but you can add your address and other. Then you have to select your state, but definitely you have to provide compulsory email address because that is where all the communication will make. Phone device type, mobile or landline, for country code, phone number, and how did you hear about this opening. All those options you have to see. And have you been ever employed in the past in Adobe, yes or no. And Adobe family of companies, you have to tick mark, basically just the checkbox that you have read all the policy related details, and then you have to basically agree to that. And last option will be basically next, where you will be able to fill this experience and the other details. So that is how you can apply. Now let me give you this direct link. So this is the direct link where you can apply, basically careers.adobe.com/job Adobe user 161978, which is the job professional external US and software development engineer. That is how you can apply. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar important positions open. Take care and bye.